Other things that really helped me with clients that had a lot of demands though was making them list it. I'd be like, okay, make a list of all the things you want. Now, we don't have enough room to do all those things, so pick your top three. And a lot of times, like, all the bullshit gets filtered out. Yeah, because that's, I think, the biggest problem when you're working in smaller pieces is everybody wants to try and fit like 10 different things in there to represent all these different things. And you're like, I know that's what you want, but this tattoo can't be that big. So if we're going to work this big, pick three things, you know? And that I think really helps people kind of get rid of some stuff. It helps you kind of see where their mind is. Cause that's the other thing is I think clients also like, they'll bring you this list, but they don't tell you anything about what's important in it. And so then you go and draw this thing and you went with the thing that you thought was the coolest. And it turns out that was the thing they wanted the least out of the 10 or 20 things that they said, I could be cool with this or this or this or this. And then you draw them, 3 of the 20 things they gave you. And they're like, oh, I didn't want any of those things. And you're like, how did this happen? And it's like, you just gotta like have them rank it. It's like,